Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside Ads Manager because that's where Facebook stores ad account settings. Once signed in, click the grid menu and open Ads Manager. Make sure you're in the correct business or personal ad account. You need admin access to change time-related settings, so verify your role now. If multiple accounts appear, confirm the account ID shown at top. This prevents changing the wrong account. Next, scroll to Account Settings to find Timezone controls. Don't click Campaigns yet. Once in Account Settings, look for Add Account Setup where the Timezone field is listed. Sometimes it's labeled simply as Timezone. You'll learn why Facebook locks Timezone changes after significant activity. It preserves reporting accuracy. If the field is editable, choose the correct city or UTC offset. Pick the same zone used in your analytics to keep cross-channel reporting aligned. Make sure to double-check daylight saving implications. When the new zone is selected, you're ready to apply changes. Save your selection and confirm the change. Facebook will update reporting timestamps for future activity only. Once done, review each campaign's scheduling and delivery windows because start/end times may shift relative to your intended local time. If the time zone field is locked, don't panic. Export current reporting, request admin permissions, or open a support case with Facebook and reference your ad account ID. Finally, monitor the next 24-48 hours of delivery to ensure budgets and pacing remain correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.